Welcome home bakers to another episode of my YouTube channel, Basic Home Baking by Myrna. I hope by now you have liked and subscribed, so I'll be more inspired to give you a new yummy recipe every time. Today, I'm going to teach you how to make another special kakanin, the nilupak. Nilupak, as the name implies, actually means masked. And it's a mixture of cassava, evaporated milk, condensed milk, butter, sugar, and peanut butter. For a more Pinoy taste, I'm going to use star margarine instead of butter. I'm going to make two varieties. One is the plain nilupak and the other is ube nilupak. Okay, let's start. The ingredients are 1.4 kilos of steamed cassava, 1/2 kilo of boiled ube, 1/2 cup of peanut butter, 1/3 cup of white sugar. This is optional if you want it sweeter. 3/4 cup of star margarine, 1 small evaporated milk, 1 big can of condensed milk, and for color, we're going to add ube flavorade and ube extract. And then top with grated cheese. Of course, we're going to use this one to mask our cassava. And then we have our prepared pan lined with banana leaf. Steam the cassava until soft. This is done. So, done. Add the evap. Add the star margarine. And the condensed milk. Add more condensed. And add the peanut butter. At this point, we're going to remove 1/3. This is done. For the ube, then add the boiled ube. Add the remaining evaporated, add the remaining condensed milk. Add the remaining starter cream. Add the flavoring. Add ube extra. This is done. Then we're going to transfer this to our prepared pan. Then we're going to add the ube, second layer. Make a design on top. Top with grated cheese. Now look at my nilupak. 2 layers, 2 colors, 2 flavors. The plain and the ube. Plain cassava and the ube cassava. Look, so nice and so yummy. Look. There you have it, my nilupak. The plain cassava and the ube cassava nilupak. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. See you on my next episode. Enjoy!